Good afternoon, everybody. This is Jacob Pace with Guaranty RV. Today we're looking at a Heritage Glen 372 RD from Forest River. It's gorgeous. Let's go inside and take a look. As soon as you walk inside this fifth wheel, you notice right away the light color palette throughout this entire product. You have the beautiful two-tone, three-tone herringbone floors. You have your faux stone countertops. You have your gray wood accents on the walls. You have your gray couches. It's just gorgeous. Several different textures to give you variety. When you turn left inside this coach, you're seeing your dinette table right away. It has an extra leaf fold out to give you even more room for the 4 people that fit around this table. And then you make your way up into the living room. You have 3 couches. There's so much room, so much space for activities up here. You have your fireplace, you have your big screen TV, there's storage on either side for, say, books or DVDs, and you have tons of windows to keep letting bright light in, accenting the light color palette in here, making this space feel big and bright. Now as we come back down our steps and we enter back into the kitchen here, you notice your 3-burner Furrion stove, your microwave, and you even have some storage below that stove. You have an island kitchen with plenty of space. It's just a big sink that you could clean up after dinner. You can dry some of your dishes with your drying rack on top. There's a 4-door Dometic fridge and freezer. And just before you make your way up into the bedroom area, you have this beautiful cabinetry and drawers section with a nice countertop. You can store your dishes, you can store your silverware, you have a place to put your, say iPad or laptop, plug it in to charge, or your phones even. Now you make your way up the steps heading towards the bedroom. You open the first door on your left and it's the bathroom. There is so much space, not just in the bathroom itself, but in the shower. I mean, you could get your elbows out, spin around, washing your hair, washing your back. You don't have to worry about squeezing and tiptoeing around in that shower. You've got your toilet, you have your sink and vanity, some storage for all your goods to beautify yourself, of course. Now we step outside the bathroom and we work our way all the way up front in the fifth wheel. We end up in the bedroom. You have a comfortable bed, a gorgeous headboard, and tons of closet space. Inside this closet, you even have space for a washer-dryer hookups. Thank you for taking a moment to check out this fifth wheel with me. If you'd like to come see it, or if you'd like to see any others that interest you, give Guaranty a call right here at the bottom, or send an email. We'll set you up with any of our sales staff. You can come in and take a look for yourself at this or any of the other products on our property. Thank you. Have a great day.